Welcome to George on Cars. Today, you guessed it, I've got an amazing video. I'm going to be driving 3.5 hours to replace the harmonic balancer and finally address my C5's issue of running hot. But before we get to the video, I want to remind you that if you're enjoying the content on the channel, I'd appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, as it helps the channel get some visibility, and it only takes a second. And by the way, if there's any content you want to see on the channel, let me know in the comments section below, or send me an email at georgeoncars@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so tomorrow morning at about 5 a.m., I'm going to be hitting the road to drive 3.5 hours to Cambridge, Ontario to Race Ready Garage. What they're going to do for me is they're going to replace the harmonic balancer on my C5 and address an issue that all C5s have, which is they run hot. Now, your harmonic balancer is bolted to the crank and is located on the front of the engine. Its main function is to help minimize crankshaft harmonics and resonance. It's a two-piece unit that has an inner hub and an outer wheel that are joined together by a rubber sleeve. The harmonic balancer in the C5 is a notorious weak spot on the car, and you should check it to make sure it's not failing. What happens is the rubber that bonds the two pieces together deteriorates and the balancer starts to wobble. And if it fails, it's either going to go forward and hit your power steering rack or go backwards and hit the timing chain cover, neither of which is good. I talk about how to check it in a separate video that I'll link to in the comments section below. C5s are also known to run hot, too hot in my opinion. So I'm going to have the guys address that by replacing the thermostat and spark plugs and adjusting the PCM to turn on the fan sooner. So you're probably wondering why I would drive almost 4 hours to Race Ready Garage in Cambridge to get this work done when I can probably get it done at a local shop. When it comes to oil changes, wheel alignment, and general maintenance, I always have that done at a local shop. But when it comes to doing things like harmonic balancers and making changes to the PCM on my Corvette, I want to go to a place that does a lot of work on Corvettes specifically. Well, I heard about Race Ready Garage from Jacob from the Straight Pipes YouTube channel, and they did some really nice work on a C6 Z06 that he has. I also checked some of the reviews they had online on the internet, and they have a great reputation. So with that, I reached out to Nigel, and we have set up a day and a time for them to do the work I wanted done. All right, guys, I'm here at Race Ready Garage in Cambridge, Ontario. 3 hours or so to get here, made a couple stops. A little bit hard to find, but you know what? We're here now. Nigel came out. They're taking a quick look at my car. They're going to address two things here, like I mentioned earlier. They're going to take a look at the harmonic balancer and a little bit of a heating problem I have. And if there's time, I might see if the guys can do an oil change for me. But anyways, Vet ran like a champ, about 75 miles an hour the whole way here. A little bit of vibration. I think I've got a bent right rear rim. But other than that, temperature was good on the highway. Vehicle rode pretty smooth. And I was getting 32 miles to the gallon. And man, you can't beat that for a two-door sports car Corvette. All right, guys, I'm here with Nigel from Race Ready Garage. They just finished up my C5 Corvette. They did the harmonic balancer, and they took care of a problem where the car wasn't really overheating, but it was running hot. So Nigel's just going to explain to us real quick what he did with the harmonic balancer and talk a little bit about how they solved my not overheating problem, but the car running hot.
Yeah, so these things are pretty known for the balancer issue, the LS1s, the LS2s, the LS3s and LS7s, not so much, not that we've never seen a failure, but it happens. But if you've got an LS1, it's pretty well guaranteed you're going to need a balancer on it. So on yours, we did the upgraded balancer, the SFI rated balancer. It's a Summit branded trip flow balancer. There's quite a few aftermarket ones we find that work well. We generally stay away from the OEM stuff because you run into the same situation.
And the one I had too was actually, it was on its way out, so it's pretty good that we did it, right?
Exactly.
Good timing. I got lucky. I wasn't smart enough to know it was going to go, but I got lucky, I guess.
So and it's very rare that we get one of these in if the balancer hasn't been done, where it's not on its way to failure. So as per your request, we did the pin in this one. It's not necessary at all with these things, but there's no reason not to do it. So yeah, new balancer, new pin, crank seal, crank bolt, new belts. That's kind of our standard package for these. eliminates one of the biggest failure points on these cars. And then another issue with a lot of the C5s and C6s especially, they just run hot. They run hot from factory. So it's not uncommon for us to try and kind of get those engine temps down a little bit. The LS series engines do like to run hot, but you know there's a limit. We're up in Canada, but
yeah,
we get some pretty hot days through the summer. So when it's a 30-35 degree day out, and then you throw humidity on that. With this one, we ended up doing 160 degree thermostat, some TR6 spark plugs, so slightly colder heat range than stock. They pair well with that cooler thermostat. Everything's running a bit colder now. And then part of that process, a very necessary part, is going in, unlocking the PCM, and turning the fan pumps down.
Yeah.
So the fans come on sooner, the thermostat opens sooner. All in all, the car still, it's just going to run a lot cooler this way.
And I got an added bonus too. Dave deprogrammed the skip shift for me.
Yeah.
So unexpected bonus.
So,
Dave took care of for me, so that was great.
Yeah, and that's another one of these silly quirks with these cars.
Yeah.
It's a pain to have to live with. I mean, typically, if we're going to be in there doing an adjustment like that, we'll just go ahead and disable that. It's not a big deal on our end, so it makes the driving experience quite a bit better with these things. So.
Alrighty. No, well, that's great, Nigel. I really appreciate you and the team here at Race Ready today. You guys did a great job for me, and thank you very much.
Not a problem. Thanks for making the trip up, George.
Okay, so I'm back home now, and I've been driving the car for a few days, and all I can say is I'm really impressed with the work that Nigel and Dave did for me. They're really nice guys, and they've got a lot of cool cars at their shop, and they're both Corvette owners, so they know these cars inside and out. Now my C5 is running great, and I no longer worry about it overheating or having a harmonic balancer that could fail. I can't recommend these guys enough, and if you live anywhere near Cambridge, Ontario, Race Ready is a great place to have work done to your Corvette. And by the way, this isn't a sponsored video. I paid full price for the work they did, and I didn't get any discounts or freebies, so I'm not benefiting in any way by talking about them in this video. Well, that's it. That's how I replaced the harmonic balancer and addressed my issue with my C5 running hot. Thanks for watching the video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next video.